Testosterone is a hormone that plays a key role in reproduction and the maintenance of bone and muscle strength. It is often referred to as the male sex hormone because it is present in much greater levels in men than women, and it is responsible for many of the physical characteristics specific to adult males. Testosterone, in fact, contributes to regulating sex drive, bone mass, fat distribution, muscle mass, hair growth, and sperm production. It is basically linked to everything related to masculinity, and it is therefore no surprise that most men want to boost testosterone. Optimal levels will make building muscle and burning fat a lot easier, can enhance your sex life and your resistance to fatigue, and also have psychological benefits on your levels of confidence, concentration, cognitive function, and determination. In other words, if you want to look and feel your best, then make sure that your testosterone level is in check. But how do you know if you have enough testosterone? In general, if you feel normal, aren't gaining weight nor seeing a reduction in muscle mass, have plenty of energy, and a healthy sexual appetite, then you're probably fine. But also keep in mind that from around the age of 30, testosterone levels begin to decline by around 1 to 2% a year. So following these 4 very effective ways to increase testosterone levels naturally is definitely a good idea. Number 1. Lift heavy. While most forms of exercise increase testosterone production, weightlifting and resistance training is the most effective way to keep T levels high. When you work out, you apply some physical stress on your muscles, which causes microtrauma to muscle fibers. As fibers are damaged from exercise, they signal the biochemical reactions to produce new cells responsible for repairing the muscles. Testosterone amplifies these biochemical signals that ultimately result in protein synthesis needed to repair and grow your muscles. In other words, the higher the muscle fiber requirement, the more testosterone is recruited to allow for the necessary protein synthesis. And the best way to cause a high muscle fiber recruitment is through heavy, strength-focused compound lifts. That is, exercises that involve more than one muscle group, like deadlifts, squats, and the bench press. The second way you can increase your testosterone level is by getting your sleep right. The body makes testosterone during sleep, and numerous studies show that a lack of sleep can reduce testosterone levels by 10 to 15%. Therefore, a good night's sleep is one of the easiest testosterone boosters out there. Aim for around 8 hours of sleep per night, and make sure it is quality sleep. Do not drink caffeine or other stimulants after lunch, keep your room as quiet and dark as you can, and build the habit of not using electronic devices at least an hour before you go to bed. Your laptop and smartphone are in fact sleep killers, as the bright light from their screen stops your body from producing melatonin, which is essential to restful sleep. The third way to naturally increase testosterone is by eating the right foods. Prioritize whole foods and incorporate a healthy balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Particularly, keep in mind that fat is needed by your body to manufacture hormones, including testosterone. Therefore, welcome into your diet healthy fats, such as avocados, olive oil, nuts, dark chocolate, and coconut oil. Other great foods are those that contain vitamin D, which is one of the most powerful vitamins for increasing your testosterone. Some of the best sources of vitamin D are salmon, tuna, low-fat milk, egg yolks, and mushrooms. And last, eating cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cabbage indirectly boost testosterone production by breaking down and flushing the system of excess estrogen, which inhibits the production of the male sex hormones. So now you have another good reason to eat your broccoli. The fourth and final way you can increase testosterone is minimizing your level of stress. Working 12 hours a day, overstimulation by screens and lights, and drinking your 4th cup of coffee won't do you any good. When you're stressed, the adrenal glands pump out cortisol, a stress hormone that drastically suppresses testosterone levels. To prevent this, make it a priority to reduce your stress levels by incorporating some simple habits, like taking time for yourself and your loved ones, exercising, cultivating your hobbies, or walking in nature. Meditation is also a great way to reduce stress levels, and it might take as little as 5 minutes a day to notice some changes, provided that you do it consistently. So now you know that a healthy lifestyle where you hit the gym with intensity, sleep well, eat the right foods, and incorporate habits to minimize stress will do wonders for your testosterone levels, and this will help you look and feel more masculine. We hope you liked this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe for more content on how to be your best self.